Hello everyone, welcome to our online educational platform educlasses.co.in. Today we have invited Subhajit Panda. He is a data scientist from Odisha. He is going to tell us about something about data science and how other stream guy can become a professional data scientist. So let's get started. Hello Subhajit.
Hi, Mitesh. It's a pleasure to talk with you.
Thank you very much for coming on our board.
It's my pleasure.
So we have one question for you.
Okay.
Yes. We want to know that how can a other stream student like from mechanical, electrical become a professional data scientist by self-study?
Okay. First of all, thank you for having me. And as for a question, I am from electronics background, so and I'm working as a data scientist. That tells everything. And
Yes.
when we are talking about data scientist, first things coming in mind is the data. So data does not come from which background you are coming. It's coming from how you are looking into the data and finding the pattern.
Okay.
So it's a different background. I can suggest first thing we need to be very much good in basic knowledge like mathematics, statics, probability, permutation, geometry. This thing that is the what data is containing.
Okay.
Second thing, if someone is going to make a life on data science, he need to sleep over that thing. Need to read the blog, watch the data science blogger videos like Chris Nayak, Thakur, and Ketan. There's some good data science bloggers who have YouTube videos are there. They can look into that thing. Second thing, need to attend some webinar how you are doing this thing. That is a good thing. So they can attend and they can learn what is going on. And another thing, if there should be in a LinkedIn, different company like Intel, AT&T, these companies are creating data science sessions.
Okay.
So you can get to know what is going on in the world. They can got to know what we need to do. The next part is need to have basic knowledge and coding language, either Python or R, because that is the must. Even if we have a theory, we need to implement somewhere, right? So you need to have know the knowledge of coding this thing. Then after you got the theory, you got the coding, then you need to make your hands dirty. You need to do some project. Then you
Okay.
can get to know, yeah, that's my knowledge, but how far I am right now. And visualization is a good part. But once we start, they start the project. Even a small project will be fine, because
Yes.
uh, data is just a number. It's just a coming from. Now you are making to something to work. So that is need to work on the project. Yeah, those things they need to be considered if you are going to self study.
Okay. So where we find real project, is it we will get from it on Kaggle?
Yeah, that is the best thing. Means even if you can't you can get Kaggle. Kaggle is a lot of data set. No need a project. You just take one data set and you just work on thing. Means even if this data set is for decision tree, just try it, find out through the logistic regression what is happening there. Just do it. What you got the data, just play with the data and create different algorithm and find the accuracy, how far this is, and what is the best appropriate thing. Just sleep over the good and well. You can attend competition and this thing. If you want to go to competition for your practice purpose, take one data set and just do it in Kaggle. And even if from Google also now recently Google have implemented huge data sets, so you can get and you can work on this thing. Just try it best out of that data.
Thank you very much, Subhajit, for coming on our board and share thoughts about how to become a data scientist through self-study. So thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was a nice conversation. It's good to have you there.
Thank you.
Thank you.